Hi, I'm Mrs. R. Vidya, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous Kadalur. Now I take the subject Entrepreneurial Development. In this subject, I take the topic Opportunity Identification and Selection. What is the meaning of opportunity identification and selection? It is a chance to take advantage of the situation. It relates to several situations in career, sports, business. It is what makes the difference between the real leader, winner. The business opportunity stands to take advantage of occurrence in the market for business gain. It what makes some business succeed while other fail. Opportunity identification and selections start with generation of ideas. The ideas about some opportunities or product generate in the first instance, and then importance and need of opportunity identification and selection. What is the main importance? The some reasons of business opportunity is the important. The chance to build a business. What is chance to build a business? It can be exiting unsolved problem in the market or new problem arising from current trend, which is the chance to build a business. And next one, it's chance to avoid failure. How to avoid failure? To fail without opportunities, they are essential for implementing ideas and innovation that make a business successful. And then it's chance to grow, to create and implement ideas and innovation, and by solving the existing problem better, providing a more refined value proportion to target market, and building a more efficient business model. And then to chance to maximize profit. How to maximize your profit level? Availability of reserves. It's not limited to availability of reserves to extent of market demand, the presence of favorable and competition. The goal is to find solution as potentially maximize profit while solving their problem. And then business opportunities having a different various sectors. Example, tourism, automobile, textile, social ventures, software, engineering goods, franchising, education, training and food processing. First you talk it up tourism. Tourism is one of the largest and growing industries in the world. So in this, tourism is more than 70% of national income of some of countries like Malaysia and Singapore is a like an tourism industry. The share of national income of India is still low at 2.1%, 2.5 percentage. And then automobile industries, it emerged a hotspot for automobile and auto component. It's the most effective hub for auto component. It's a very indicate of potential sectors for entrepreneurs in India. And then textile, it's a good potential to grow a preferred locations of manufacturing textiles take into account for huge demand for governments. In this social ventures emerge to get another breed of entrepreneurs is called a social entrepreneurship. And then software, the main IT sectors contribute substantially to the Indian economy. And after that, engineering goods, the fastest growing of exports of engineering goods growing a rate of 30.1 percentage. The franchising is well connected with the world economic. Franchising is lead brand to spread across the country, offer sample opportunities for young entrepreneurs, especially in service sectors like education and health. Education and training is a in this good facilities at competitive rate, India can attract more students from abroad in coming years. Science of has already started. A need-based educational program with innovative teaching method can help for big way to educate, develop, and flourish the industries in the country. The food processing is a main in their segment. In this inefficient management, lack of infrastructure, proper storage will lead to huge loss of food grains and fresh produce in India. And then next topic is sources of business ideas and idea generations and techniques. What is the business ideas to emerging the trend in their generation techniques? They are the product of opportunity identification selections have termed in marketing technology as new product development. This is the generation of idea. The idea of some opportunities or product generate for first instance. The entrepreneurs have considered for selecting a most promising to pursue of enterprises can be generated or discovered from various sources, both internal as well as external. So these are the uh, generations of these are the ideas to be generated in this techniques. And then method of generating ideas. There are so many method of generating ideas. Some of them are listed in this slides. A focus group, the group of people through open, in-depth discussion and simply asking question to solicit participant response. And then brainstorming to generate a lot of ideas. In this is to be encouraged for various ideas, improvement of the ideas, old ideas to new ideas. These are the next the problem inventory analysis to generate a new product ideas, generating the ideas themselves participate the list of problems product category. They are asked to identify and discuss the product in the category of particular problem. This is very effective and easier to relate no product to suggest problem. And then scientific way to consist their conducting an experiment and validating their hypothesis. And force relation isolate the elements of problems, find the relations between these elements, record the relationship in orderly form, and analyze the resulting to find their ideas or patterns, new ideas of this pattern. Checklist method. Overall, you must be users, modify, magnify, minimize, substitute and rearrange, revise and combine, etc. So these are the way to method to generating their ideas. What is product identification? The product identification is a broad category of labeling that include functions of product traceability, brand protection, and various information label. When the rapidly changing the business environment and constant threat from the theft and counterfeit product, the product identification and labeling it is critical. And then opportunity selection. This is the choose a suitable location, number of potential customer, examine the competition and select a suitable group of people to sell their product. What are the steps to select the right opportunities? These are the steps to select their right opportunities of their business. First, you must be identify their selections of business and personal goal and to research your favorite industries, identify their promising industry segment areas and solution and what are the objective and opportunities in the marketplace and to most promising opportunities. So, what are the steps to be setting up at small industrial enterprises? So, there are so many steps to setting up a small industrial enterprises, and then first you decide to take decisions of your business and analyze of your strength and weakness of your business and how what are the product you must be select your business and what are the market survey and how to survey your product and what are the difficult you must be consequence of your product and then what are the form of ownership to be concerned, that is a example proprietorship limited company, that is public or private sector company. These are the way to be size to take and that and what are the location to be located in your enterprises and what are the machinery and equipment to be selected and what type of finance and what amount of finance to be in their business. These are the now what are the power connections of your arrangement in your business, and what way to be arranged finance and worksheet, and you must be procedure to machine and begin it your installation. And then manpower will be required, but the quantum and type of labor have been determined. Sources of getting a desired labor identified and staff recruited. The labor is trained and either at entrepreneur premises or a training establishment. So many of your business you must be taking idea and generating your idea in your business. Thank you so much.